and thanks for joining us on EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Asset Management Report. Today is March 11th, 2008. $280 billion global asset manager Schroders has launched the Schroder Multi-Asset Growth Portfolio as part of the firm's continuing North American expansion. The fund is designed to give investors the opportunity to invest in a mutual fund with a global tactical allocation that includes alternative investments such as private equity and hedge funds. Schroder Multi-Asset Growth Portfolio is targeting returns that exceed the rate of U.S. inflation, but with significantly reduced volatility relative to an all-equity portfolio. Staying with asset management news, Cogo Wolf Asset Management has appointed Michelle Buckles as the firm's Chief Marketing Officer. Buckles will be responsible for client services and prospective investor development. She will oversee progress with both ultra-high net worth investors and investor intermediaries. Buckles most recently was Vice President of Institutional Client Development for Ivy Asset Management, a $15 billion fund of hedge funds group. And in other asset management news, Aegon Nederland will split its European and Asian share portfolios into an alpha and a beta portfolio, reports Thomson Financial. Aegon said separating an investment portfolio into alpha or excess return and beta or market return portfolios produce separate returns. Aegon said in a statement, by managing the parts separately from one another, the best risk-return ratios are possible. The companies that will manage the alpha portfolios are Pelargos Capital and Seymour Capital. And in asset management news in Asia, 5 more China fund management firms can now issue new funds, reports the Xinhua news agency. So far this year, 14 new funds have been approved by the China Securities Regulatory Commission by XFN Asia's count. The regulator has recently accelerated approvals for new mutual funds in an apparent bid to prop up the vulnerable stock market. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Asset Management channel online and read the latest developments.